Welcome to Trending.review. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Is there a difference between a beer fridge and a conventional refrigerator? The drink refrigerator has many similarities to a standard fridge, although they are identical. Unlike other kinds of food retention equipment like vegetable bins or egg cartons, this gadget is developed specifically for drinks and beer at their ideal temperature. Therefore, the average temperature ranges may vary drastically between each type/brand you own. The size and power consumption are the most differences between them. Please click link in description for more detail. Thanks for watching.